Dear students, myself I am Mamta Devi AB, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. In this video, I am going to explain session 38 of Chemical Kinetics. The content of this video are experimental methods of chemical kinetics, that is conductometric, example, saponification of esters. Experimental methods of chemical kinetics, conductometric example, saponification of esters. Principle. The reaction between ethyl acetate and alkali takes place as follows. Ethyl acetate reacts with sodium hydroxide, gives acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. The rate of the reaction is given by dx by dt is equal to K into product of concentration of the ethyl acetate and sodium hydroxide. Initially, the conductance of the reaction mixture is due to fast moving hydroxyl ions. As hydroxyl ions are replaced by slow moving acetate ions during the reaction, the conductance will decrease with time. Procedure. Place 25 cm cube of N by 50 sodium hydroxide and 25 cm cube of N by 50 ethyl acetate in a separate reaction vessels. Cork the vessels and keep them in a thermostat. Allow for 15 minutes to maintain constant temperature. After attaining a constant temperature, mix both the solutions well and stop clock is started quickly. Immerse a conductivity cell in the reaction mixture and note down the conductance values after every minute up to first 20 minutes using a conductivity meter, that is CT value. Measure the conductance of 0.01 molar sodium hydroxide solution for C0 values and that of 0.01 molar sodium acetate solution for C infinity value. Calculate the rate constant of the reaction by substituting the values of C0, Ct and C infinity from the experimental data into the equation 1. The constant values of K indicates that saponification of an ester follows second order kinetics. Calculation. The saponification of ester is a second order reaction. The rate constant of such a second order reaction for A is equal to B is given by K is equal to 1 by T into X divided by A into A minus X, where A is the initial concentration of ethyl acetate, A minus X is the concentration at the instant time T minutes, and X is the concentration of ethyl acetate which has reacted in time T minutes. In terms of conductance, concentration of ethyl acetate, that is A, is proportional to C0 minus C infinity. Concentration at the time T is proportional to A minus X, that is equal to Ct minus C infinity. Concentration of ethyl acetate reacted in time T is proportional to X, that is equal to Ct minus C infinity. Substituting all these in the main equation, we get K is equal to 1 divided by T into C0 minus C infinity into C0 minus Ct divided by Ct minus C infinity. Call this as equation 1. Prepare a tabular column containing time in minutes, conductance Ct, C0 minus Ct, Ct minus C infinity and the expression for rate constant. After calculating all the K values, we found that the K for all the different intervals of time is found to be constant. Hence, saponification of ester follows second order kinetics. The rate constant can also be determined by graphical method. The plot of C0 minus Ct divided by Ct minus C infinity against time gives a straight line with slope is equal to Ka, indicating that the reaction is of second order, where slope is equal to dy by dx. K is equal to slope divided by A, that is equal to slope divided by C0 minus C infinity. Thus, rate constant is calculated uh, by using the formula slope divided by A liter per mole per minute. Session summary. Experimental methods of chemical kinetics, conductometric, example, saponification of esters. If you want to study more about these topics, refer Physical Chemistry by P.W. Atkins, Physical Chemistry by W.J. Morey, Principles of Physical Chemistry by Puri, Sharma and Patania, Swayam, Physical Chemistry by R.L. Madan and J.D. Tuli, Textbook of Advanced Physical Chemistry by Gurudeep Raj. Thank you.